when you are going to perform practically here, practically it will be little bit difficult because you have kept your test tube in the boiling water bath, and it will be water bath will be remain boiling throughout the experiment, and you will not take out the test tube, you will just take the sample from there. Which test tube? That has the 1% starch paste and concentrated HCl. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So this time, after placing the test tube in the boiling water bath, immediately at 0 minute, with the help of a dropper, take 3 to 4 drops of starch solution from the bottom of the test tube in the water bath. 2 drops or 3 drops will be added in the set A of first test tube. First test tube. एक में ही ऐड करने हैं आपने. You will note the color of the iodine solution. Then you will add boil the test tube with, and then you will add the 8 drops in the set B, first test tube of set B. First test tube of set B. That is for set B में आपने कौन सा टेस्ट परफॉर्म करना है? Which test is you are going to perform there?
Benedict's qualitative test.
Yes, and for the Benedict's qualitative test, you will have, when you have added the carbohydrate sample of starch from the boiling water bath, you have taken this sample from the test tube that has been kept in the boiling water bath, and you have taken the sample from the bottom of the test tube with the help of the dropper. So you are going to add first into the iodine, and then you have added it into the, and then you have added into the that is the Benedict's qualitative test. And to perform the Benedict's qualitative test, when you will add the drops, you will again heat the test tube on the direct flame for 2 minutes, and then you will get the result. And then after 3 to 4 minutes, you are going to repeat the procedure. Again, you will take the starch solution from the bottom of the test tube, add to the second test tube of set A. Now the drops will be added to the second test tube of test A after 3 to 4 minutes. And if you get a violet color with starch solution, add 8 drops of starch solution to the second test tube of set B and boil for 2 minutes on direct flame. Is it clear to all of you?
मैम वॉयलेट कलर वाला समझा दें कि उसके अपीयर होने पे क्यों?
जी, वॉयलेट कलर का ये है कि जैसे ही आपने फर्स्ट टाइम, आपको भी हमने पूरा टेबल इसका डिस्कस करना है, यू विल गेट दी आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन के साथ व्हेन देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च, कंफर्मेटरी एंड पॉइंट इज द डीप ब्लू कलर. But after 3 to 4 minutes, when the starch has been broken down, hydrolyzed a little bit, when it is little hydrolyzed, there will be change in the color of the iodine solution. It will not remain deep blue, it will become violet. It is violet is just like the jamun. Jamun आपने देखे हैं? ठीक है? जामुन का जो violet color है ना, that will be appear in the test tube. Is it okay? Ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So repeat this. You are going to repeat this procedure after each 3 to 4 minutes. And if you have 6 test tubes, the whole procedure will take how much time? जी
मैम हम एक के लिए 3 to 4 minutes ले रहे हैं ना?
यस, फॉर द जी बिल्कुल.
अगर 6 होंगे तो हमारे पास लगभग 18 minutes to 19 minutes.
18 to 24 minutes होगा. It will be between, if you are going to take 44 minutes, it will take 24 minutes. If you are going to take it after 3 minutes, it will be It will take 18 minutes. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
And every time you will have to take drop from the bottom of the test tube. Every time you will have to take drops from the bottom of the test tube with the help of the dropper. From which test tube? कहाँ से लेने आपने?
मैम वो जो टेस्ट ट्यूब जिसमें हमने स्टार्च सोल्यूशन डाला था और
यस मैम, जो सेपरेट टेस्ट ट्यूब ली थी।
जी जी, जिसमें हमने स्टार्च सोल्यूशन डाला था और क्या चीज डाली थी?
कंसंट्रेटेड HCl के 10 drops
हाँ जी।
Yes,
And where it has been kept?
water bath, boiling water
मैम
bath.
In the boiling water bath. Is it clear?
यस मैम।
So this shows that starch after repeat this procedure after 3 to 4 minutes, at the end you will get no color with the starch. You will get no color with the starch. What does it mean? It means that there is no starch remained that is going to be hydrolyzed. Starch has been fully hydrolyzed. Starch has been completely hydrolyzed, and all the starch has been converted into smaller units. Whether it may be dextrin, resistor dextrin, or it may be a glucose, there may be glucose. So this shows that starch has been fully hydrolyzed into resistant or stable dextrin. Test tubes in set A show different types of dextrins. There are, I have told you, what is the product of starch hydrolysis? The starch hydrolysis product is dextrin. Is it okay?
यस मैम।
Starch hydrolysis product is dextrin. So there are different stages of dextrins have been achieved after different time intervals. Different time intervals, you will get different forms of dextrins. And set A will show you the results of iodine solution, and set B will show you the results of Benedict's qualitative test. And in each iodine solution will change the color. So you can see these colors just by looking at the test tube. But for the Benedict's qualitative test, when you will get the result, सिर्फ आप जैसे ऐड कर देंगे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स तो आपको रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. How will you get the result with the Benedict's qualitative reagent? Just by adding the carbohydrate solution into the reagent.
नो मैम, पहले हम उसको हीट करेंगे ना, फिर उसको कूल करेंगे शायद।
जी बिल्कुल, you will have to heat the solution, then you will get the result. Okay, and this will indicate the increasing amount of glucose that is formed as the end product of hydrolysis of starch by acid. Then what are the precautions? The water in the water bath should be boiling and should remain boiling throughout when you place test tube with starch paste. And I have told you this is a little bit difficult when you are performing here in the lab, because it is the summer season, heat of the flame, it is difficult to take the sample, but you will have to keep it in the boiling water bath. Always take starch solution from the bottom of the test tube. You will have to take solution from the bottom of the test tube. Add starch solution in BQT when you get proper color with iodine solution. What does it mean? इससे क्या पता चलता है आपको? जी? Third point बेटे. जी?
मैम मैं एक बात पर कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ.
जी?
मैम ये हम जो आयोडीन रिएजेंट ले रहे हैं और बेनेडिक्ट क्वालिटेटिव रिएजेंट जो डाल रहे हैं और ये टेस्ट कंफर्म कर रहे हैं, मैम इसके पीछे हमारा मेन मकसद क्या है वो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं इस तरह.
इसलिए कर रहे हैं that you are confirmed, you